two methods by which a juvenile can go to circuit court, and that's by transfer, which is typically a discretionary, or it is not mandatory fashion in which it can get there, or there's certification, which means if a child is charged with certain offenses, normally those that we consider the most serious, murders, robberies, using weapons, things like that, those then, once enough evidence is found on those charges, automatically would go to circuit court. The age is 14 under which a child can be treated as an adult in the adult system in Virginia. For the most part, there is a great discretion or power that rests in the Commonwealth Attorney's decision on whether or not a particular charge should be requested to be transferred or certified and treated then as an adult in a circuit court.
About all of the recent studies on transfer and what they show, and in most cases I think the conclusion of those studies is that it really may not be working.
I'd take a stand. Living life one day at a time, trying to do what's right, abiding by the laws and guidelines. But with the generation of time, there comes a day and time when a child chooses not to abide, unfortunately committing a crime being judged by one man, not being able to understand that one man has the power to place a child behind bars, listening to the Commonwealth trying to prove me guilty, not letting me speak nor tell my side of the story. So now I'm going to take my stand, my peace of mind I'm going to share. I refuse to sit in this seat, listen to a man who won't hear me. So now it's my turn to speak. How can one man judge me, not taking the time to know me, not opening his eyes to see all the potential I have inside of me? What I could be if he didn't sentence me. Let me grow up and improve my ability. I deserve a second chance to be free, have the heart to accept my apology. Honestly, I am sorry. Give me a chance and forgive me. Because I know if God can, there is no doubt that I know you can. Unfortunately, my justice is left in the hand of one man. But I'm proud of myself because I took my stand.
Justice is what they promised me. I watched all the empty promises handed to me hang 50 feet upon weeping willow trees. Eyes giving birth to red, white, and blue tears, and all you do is drink them. Quenching your thirst on dreams stolen from third world country children is what you call justice. This is a prime example of the new wave of change. Genocide. Burn the books and issue them rifles. Tear down the schools and give birth to crack houses and apartments. Entertainment before education. Lives for liberty. Just give them a slogan. Let's roll. Justice is when cops post on corners harder than the dealers do just to take back what they gave them. Justice is denying you the rights given to your great-great-grandfathers. They say, this is the life of me, America. We will give you everything you need, America. Give us handcuffs instead of shackles and call us free, America. This is the new age of justice that's been going on for centuries.
Justice. What is this system of judges in courtrooms with an ocean of lawyers and the stake of court fumes? From the prosecution, we're defendants. It's a big world, but we're simply infants. They expose the criminal, hide the innocence. But for the witnesses and victims, it's the only way to seek rectification. But for those of us on the stand, it's regret and misrepresentation. With our future stripped away, is it just? With our past dipped and stained, it's a must to put forth new visionaries and missionaries reformed. If you listen, please hear me. Top floor staring down on this two-way street. Justice. Too soon in my years to release a real definition.
16 years hadn't even done a good job on my voice. It cracked in my head as I tried to explain away the police car driving my 126 pounds to the Fairfax County Jail. Everything mean enough for me to touch gleamed with the color of violence. The black of the deputy's holstered guns, the broken leather of the seat I sat on, and the silver of the cuffs that held my hands before me in prayer. When I tried to part my hands, I thought about the violence, about how real it is when a cell door closes behind you at night. I thought about needing a knife. Because from what I knew, everyone needed a knife. I stared at my shackled feet. I was getting ready to learn what it meant to lock your thoughts inside of yourself and survive in a place governed by violence. Ask someone how many juveniles are in prisons or jails during time with adults. Most people will look at you like you said something crazy. They don't know that there were at least a dozen juveniles at Fairfax County Jail the morning I arrived, certified. It's a legal hocus pocus where the prosecuting attorney made my 16-year-old body an adult by the signing of a piece of paper.